Command engine start. 2, 1. Ignition. We have liftoff. Shepard's cleared the tower.
And New Shepard has cleared the tower on our way to space with our first human crew. Today is the day. In just 90 minutes from now, Jeff Bezos, his brother Mark Bezos, aviation icon Wally Funk, and our first paying customer, Oliver Daemen, will launch to space and back. It is a historic moment for human spaceflight and a future where millions of people are living and working in space. Today at Blue Origin, it's first human flight. And here the astronauts come. There you see Jeff Bezos in the foreground, Oliver Daemen stepping into the Rivian. Crew member 7, Kevin Sprogue, there on the right, as well as Wally Funk. What a moment for her. All right, they are leaving the astronaut safety shelter here. Let's watch as they prepare to cross the bridge. What a moment. Jeff Bezos, Mark Bezos, Wally Funk, and Oliver Daemen. Ring the ceremonial bell, making some noise on their way to get into the crew capsule.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Command engine start. 2, 1. Ignition. We have liftoff. New Shepard's cleared the tower.
And New Shepard has cleared the tower on our way to space with our first human crew. Go, Jeff. Go, Mark. Go, Wally. Go, Oliver. You are going to space. Oh my goodness, listen to the roar of the BE-3 engine. We are just about to pass through max Q, maximum dynamic pressure. That was when the stresses on the vehicle are at their maximum.
Max Q.
Max Q is confirmed. Beautiful burn on that BE-3 engine.
Woo! Oh, wow. He does change you. So you have to look out the window. Oh, he kid does. Oh, wow. Mark, don't forget to get upside down.
And there we go. Our astronauts have passed the Kármán line at about 328,000 feet, continuing their ascent. You see the two vehicles there. When the speed hits 0, you know that they've hit apogee, their maximum altitude, and you hear they're having quite an experience.
All my instincts are fun.
Okay, I'm gonna start back.
Okay. I'm here to help. Yep. Got it. Yeah, you just have to wait for it. Who wants a Skittle? Oh, yeah. Yeah! Well done! Here, pop.
1 minute warning. 1 minute warning.
Go! Oh, sorry. Let's try again. Awesome! So good. Here, yeah.
Get that one?
Got it. Now you just have to work on this shoulder. Let's see if I can see the boost.
Yeah, this
Oh,
is
yeah.
this.
Little bit. I cannot. Oh, wow. You got to take a moment to do that. Okay, get in. We got to get in. Woo! The roll.
Oh, man, Dad, look at this. It's dark up here.
Oh, wow.
2,000 miles an hour.
Everybody in?
First step, status check. Astronaut Oliver.
Oh, my word.
Oh, wow.
Let's go more.
Oliver, status check. Oh, sorry. Blue Control, Oliver, status perfect. In seat.
Copy, astronaut Wally.
Wally. Blue Control, Wally is in seat.
Copy, astronaut demo.
Astronaut demo in my seat.
Copy, astronaut Bezos. Copy.
Thank you again, everybody, for joining us live for our first human flight on New Shepard. So far, a nominal flight. Our booster is about to return to its landing pad. There we see engine relight. The sonic boom. And booster touchdown, welcome back, New Shepard. A beautiful rocket that provided a beautiful flight to space. What?
First step, your booster has landed.
Booster landed. Blue Control, Bezos, that's great to hear about the booster.
Oh, so far, a nominal flight. Here comes the crew capsule back from space. The drogues deployed. Here are the mains out, reefing and coming to full inflation. Our rocket went over Mach 3, and now they're coming floating back down at just about 15 or 16 miles an hour, about to join us home. Back here in West Texas after having gone over the Kármán line, the internationally recognized line of space. And touchdown. Welcome back, New Shepard's first human crew. What a flight.
Welcome back to Earth, first step. Congratulations to all of you.
Oh, what a day, what a day.
Very happy group of people on this capsule. We're so grateful to everybody who made this possible. Thank you. Blue Control, Oliver, thank you so much for everyone there. It was amazing. It was amazing.
Champagne.
And it's champagne time, everybody.
It's the only proper way to end the space flight.
Exactly, only proper way to end a space flight with a champagne shower.
That's so wet.
A beautiful moment there.
Thank you. It would never happen.
For a woman who was denied her opportunity to go to space in the 60s. She had to wait till the 2020s, but man, it was worth the wait. There you see the Bezos brothers hugging it out. Oliver Daemen, you saw him earlier giving his father a big hug. That was amazing. Everybody, I want to thank you all for joining us from around the world for today's Blue Origin historic first human flight. It's been a moment for the ages, and guess what? We're just getting started. We've got 2 more flights this year and several more in the coming years.